Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with orange calcite, the stone of optimism and hope. For those who've been watching my channel, welcome back and Happy New Year. First guided meditation of this new year. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, thinking about the situations that they support, and then deciding if that's a gemstone that we would like to work with some more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of orange calcite, then I'll link that up in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and watch that one to hear more about the supportive benefits of it before you start in on the guided meditation. But the guided meditation will take you through some of its supportive benefits as well. If you do have a piece of orange calcite, it's a good time right now to go get it and put it beside your meditation space. But you don't need this gemstone right now to benefit from this guided meditation. So sit through the meditation, picture the stone in your mind, listen to the scenarios that it can support, and then if anything feels really comfortable or familiar to you or triggers you a little bit, then that's a sign you may want to get some orange calcite and work with it some more. So then the only other thing that you need before we begin this meditation is a comfortable seat. And that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. As long as you could stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes while we go through this guided meditation. So if you have your orange calcite or you're ready to picture it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to what it feels like in your body to be breathing right now. How does it feel in your body? Is it smooth and relaxed, or maybe a little constricted? And then bringing your attention to your body and notice if there are any physical sensations that stand out to you right now. Checking in with your heart space, seeing what emotions may be with you right now. And then to your mind. Is your mind calm or busy? Is there a thought stuck in there? We're not trying to change or fix anything, but we are just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. How are you right now? And And then bringing your awareness to those parts in your body that are touching the cushion or the floor, the chair beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over its center. You are completely supported by the entire mass of the earth. You have access to all of its energy, and it will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. If you do have a piece of orange calcite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energy of the orange calcite today. And take a minute as you hold it to feel its weight, to run your fingers over its surface. Notice places where it's smooth or rough. And take a minute to get to know your piece of orange calcite. And if you don't have orange calcite today, then picturing an orange colored crystal in your mind. And notice if anything feels different in your body, your heart, and your mind since you've picked up the orange calcite. And imagine yourself sitting in the middle of an immense flower garden where the flowers are in bloom and they're bright and they're colorful. There are butterflies, hummingbirds flitting from flower to flower. And you take in this energy of beauty and life. And sit with this image of orange calcite energy for a minute. Orange calcite is the stone of optimism and hope. And as you hold or imagine the crystal, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you currently in a dark or pessimistic mood, or things feel a little hopeless? And you want to lift and brighten your mood? Do you feel like it's hard to see the light at the end of the tunnel? Would you like to amplify gratitude and to be able to acknowledge and verbalize it in your life? And would you like to rediscover the small beauty and joys in your life and in the world right now? you an artist or a creator in need of inspiration or to overcome a creator's block? Orange calcite is extremely supportive in all of these situations. And if one of these scenarios stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to your heart and to your body and sit with this for another minute or two while you hold or imagine the orange calcite. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about this situation as you hold the stone. And then notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, and your mind since you started this guided meditation. And it's okay if nothing feels like it has changed, because it may take several meditations to notice change happening. And then release the image of the orange calcite energy and release the situation you were sitting with, and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for an orange calcite meditation. And if you do feel drawn to this stone, you feel like it might be a useful stone for you, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really call up the supportive energies of the gemstone as soon as you need it. If you're going to sit down and start creating, or if you're feeling like you need your mood lifted, then you pick it up and you feel it already there for you. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life, of knowing which situations you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them in your daily life when those situations come up. If you are new to the channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week and how it can support you in practical life situations. So if you're interested in really starting to use crystals and gemstones to help you improve your life, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.